truck's dirty again. Check it out. Yeah, it's muddy. Good morning guys. It is Thursday morning. We are about to get ready to head out, making a little breakfast real quick, some coffee. Still got about 5 minutes for our 10-hour break. It's reset it, and we got to put 50 gallons of fuel here to cover the rest of the distance that we need, and make sure we had enough for the deadhead to the next load, which will take us through the house. And we are going to Dallas, Texas. We're going to Dallas Fort Worth. 5 stops. I think should be 5 different pieces of tractors that we're taking, or something like that. So not sure what the combination is, but that's what we're picking up. It's another no tarp load, and we are going home a day early, but we'll be leaving a day early. So we're going to be leaving Sunday on the this particular weekend. So that's what we have to do this time. We're just getting through this winter, guys. Usually I would definitely have a Thursday or Friday load, and then a Friday reload for Monday that would take me to the house. That would be the preferred way to do it. And Riley looking at the options that doesn't go up north with the winter storm that's going through this week. So if you are up there, hope you are driving safe, you know, keep the rubber side down, and hope everything's good for you guys this week. Please comment if you went through. By the time you watch this video, it's going to be a little definitely past that. So let me know if you went through some struggles, how did it go up there for you. If you're a rookie that's going through your first winter, how are you dealing with it so far? And yeah, comment below in the video. I appreciate to hear from you guys. But that's what we're doing today. We're delivering the stuff. We got 3.5 hours to go, and we'll be ready to go. We already kind of did our pre-check, check our truck tires and all that. We were good to go. I'm just doing the breakfast, and then we'll head out that way, put fuel and head out. So it's a little windy. I can see the flag blowing, so it's definitely a little windy. So I'm just crossing fingers, hoping that you know, weather doesn't catch me too bad, because that's what I've been trying to do. We've got about 6 more weeks to go as of today of winter, whereas normally winter, and then we'll be free of that, and we'll start rolling further north again, getting some more of those steel coils and stuff on the truck, and making a little bit more money a week than we have been. We've been we make a little money, but not as much as I would like to, and I know I could, but I think I've made the right decisions, because I've definitely talked to other guys who just get stuck in bad weather, and you lose a day. If you're losing a day, you're just losing money. So what's the difference, in my opinion, to force us, go up there for a good load, and run up there if you're on a, or at least purchase. In my case, it's my opinion. Hold on, waffles are. See? Let go of my egos. That's what I mean. Let go of my own waffles. Breakfast. Gotta love that microwave air fryer bullcrap. But I hope you guys can hear me, because I got the truck on. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, in my opinion, what's the point of getting a good little paying load going up there and then getting stuck for a day or two? It's like you just got 2 regular ones. So if I'm getting regular loads out here that pay me what I need, keeps me out of the bad snow weather, freezing and dangerous, and other people hitting me, or me potentially having an accident, which can happen anyway, but less chances on better weather. So I ran to deal with the rain out here. Now we'll be going to Dallas Fort Worth next week, so I know they're going through some right now, some cold weather tonight, last night, and today. So they were expecting bad weather and stuff, and even on this side of town as well. So we're gonna keep an eye on that, but we should be just fine.
97, Lake Wheeler Road, Farmers Market, NC State Union, Centennial Campus and then turn right at 0.3 miles.
Alright guys, we're getting here to our receiver. It's supposed to be here towards the end.
Approaching destination in a quarter mile
Dead-end
on the
street.
left side. Arrive at your destination on the left side, 1306 Kirkland Road.
Right here. All delivery truck must stop in the office before entering and receiving attitude. Alright, let me go inside the office, check in, be as quick as possible because we need to roll. Alright guys, so told them we're ready to get unloaded here on strap. I don't know if they're gonna pull us in there or they're gonna come out here and unload us. I hope you can hear me because I don't have the external mics on. But we are going to move as fast as possible here to get unloaded. So to give you a point of view what's going on. We gotta go as fast as we can because we have a 2-hour deadhead, and I just looked at the notes this morning and they said to stop loading at 2. It's gonna, even if I leave at 12, that puts me at 2 o'clock over there. So I'm gonna have to call and hopefully that they wait for me so I can get loaded today and be home tonight, this afternoon. Otherwise, I may think about staying an extra day. Throwing everything to one side, all the straps, so I can fold them over there. It's all right. Oh, okay. A forklift driver there. I don't know if he's waiting on me. Just gotta make sure you don't hit nobody if you're in a busy place. The weather here cleared up. It's been raining and foggy all morning here in North Carolina, but it cleared up a little bit as I got closer to Raleigh. So I also was talking to my dad, who's the driver. I'll tell you guys that before if you followed the channel for a while. And he's also a driver. He got stuck in Indiana as of yesterday. He's there right now. It's right in Indianapolis, right in the middle of it. He's stuck there trying to find something that can get him out of that area. So, yes, I'm literally running, guys. I'm literally running. I want to be ready. Hopefully they see me ready and they can come and unload us quick. I'll be pissed if they don't, but I hope they do. FedEx. Oh, come on, strap. strap's not cooperating. Always happens, right? When you're in a rush, something does not want to cooperate. Let's take all these out the way. These are not these blue ones. I've had these blue ones because all these extra protectors that I got, I didn't buy them. They are pricey. When you buy them, they're about $3-4 a piece. But I got lucky. I brought them when I was with Melton Truck Lines. I've had those. There was a customer, installation customer, that had to provide them to you, and I kept them. I went there probably 3 times. So these are their trucks. Hopefully they assign somebody to us and don't put their trucks primarily to everybody and leave us waiting here till they feel like coming. So I may be rushing for nothing, but I hope not. And I will call her. I will go in there if I have to. Go in there and just ask her, don't mean to. I'm not trying to be in a, but I have a reload. I need to be there as close to 2 o'clock as possible. So we'll kiss a little bit of ass if we have to. Technically ready to get unloaded. That guy's waiting for something over there. She said I was good here. I don't know if she meant they're gonna unload me here or I had to flip around the other side. Not 100% sure. So I'm gonna move over here. I'll have to move this straps more than once. I mean, it would be cool if they unload us right here, but it's further for them, so I'm assuming we're gonna drive in there and get unloaded in there. So we'll see. Depends where they locate their pallets. So I'm not talking a lot, guys, just kind of showing work. So I'll probably gonna speed this up. I'm a little bit, I don't know what to talk about at the moment. I got a couple things that I do want to talk about face to face on a straight video, not necessarily like this. I sure appreciate you guys' questions. I hope I keep getting questions from a lot of you guys, but I want to show you what we go through. Sometimes you gotta rush. One thing you can expect that a lot of shippers, they stop shipping or loading you between 2 and 4 o'clock. So something to keep in mind as far as when you're rerouting, when you're going to deliver, because that's usually the time. And so if you can't make it on time, you might get there in just an hour later, or could get there an hour later and still have to wait till the next morning. So you kind of lose the afternoon. It's a little bit common during the winter for that to happen, because you have to slow down if, you know, weather conditions, you slow down a little bit sometimes. That's why I've stayed down here. But you know, but traffic can slow you down, accidents, construction, all that can slow you down. And in winter, it just adds to it. And if you're running to the northwest or central north or east during the winter, you guys know, or we'll find out if you're just starting off, that time is going to be against you the whole time through the winter. You just have to be patient, realize that that's what's happening, and just do your best and keep yourself alive. Your life is more important than any load. So, oops. Don't ever rush. Let nobody, no shipper, no, not even the office, even if you're a company driver, you know, you're still the captain on your ship. And if you don't feel comfortable driving in certain conditions, you just don't. It's just the way it is and the way it should be. So this is why I put this rubber. Try to put them on the ones in the front instead of the back. But that's the way it should be. You're the captain on your ship, and you just got to have the common sense, which is not so common anymore, and have the understanding that you can tell your office you're not going to drive in the bad conditions. They're trying to tell you otherwise, because most of those people in the office, and no offense to those that work in the office, oops, sorry about that, no offense to those that work in the office, you guys are okay? Your head's okay? Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. But no offense to you guys, but you guys don't know what it is to be out here. And you're not gonna control the weather or my truck, my life. Be careful with it. One thing that I liked Melton about, that's a cool Jeep. That's a cool Jeep over there. That's a cool Jeep. One thing that I like Melton is forklift. So they don't force you to do stuff you don't want to do. How's it going, bud? How you doing, brother? Where do you want me to go, or do you do me right here?
We're gonna get you in the back now. You got marathon.
Okay.
I'll have you follow me when you get there.
All right. Yep. Just got to put this corner protectors in, and I'll be following you right now. Try. Appreciate the speediness. I'm trying to get somewhere before they tell me they can't load me today, so I can get. Yes, sir, I do.
I'll make sure to subscribe.
Oh, check yourself out. Just put these up, and I'll be right over there. Turn around. Sorry? Oh, saw a sign already?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Beautiful.
Signature on it.
Okay.
That's nice enough.
I try to keep it that way, brother. Said it was nice in there. If you guys didn't hear that. All right, I'll set up. Receiver. We're on yard move. So we are in their yard. Let's go up here, get unloaded, fellas. Looks like there's room to turn around, even though they got day cabs. But we'll figure it out. it out. Looks like you got to do a loop-de-loop to get out of here. Just giving space on both sides. And that's the signal to stop. Same thing, my man. Yep, that's exactly what happened. I was gonna say, you can go across, kept going down. All right, we're gonna pull on out so they can leave for the day. Then get our paperwork and get out of here. So I just gotta secure that one, but you guys get the idea. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey Tyler, it's Luis. How's it going, buddy? All right. Hey, yeah, got loaded. I'll take off here. Just want to give you a heads up if they haven't informed you guys. They took one of the stops off for Cedar Hill. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't listen to it. Okay. Gotcha. Awesome. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. Appreciate it. I sure will. Thank you, man. Have a good one. All right, guys. So we are loaded. We're heading out of here. They took one of the stops off. We have 5 stops. Truck's dirty again. Look, check it out. Yeah, it's muddy again. Yeah. So there goes the wash. After 3 months, there goes the wash. But yeah, they took the one stop off. But the rate's the same, pays the same. So one less stop to worry about next week. So we are heading home, guys. We're gonna end the video here unless something else happens. You'll see it next. Otherwise, hit that like button if you haven't hit it yet. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And we'll see you in the next one. We'll Friday out. Peace.